Nature Jadd here, and screw the banks. We're coming to you from a log right in the middle of the mighty Siuslaw River. And Siuslaw Falls here in the distance, cascading down a terraced level fit for a terraced garden in ancient feudal Japan. As you can see, we're on a log jam in the middle of this mighty river used by the ancient Native American tribes for fishing and transportation since time immemorial. Now, legend has it that this very site of Siuslaw Falls is the home to a Wendigo that appears when someone utters the phrase, "the sluice is loose," 3 times. But I don't believe it, so let's try it. The sluice is loose. The sluice is loose. The sluice is loose. Oh my God, what was that? Oh! Ah! Nature Jadd has died.